Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jasla Mansoor here. So in this video we are going to discuss amazing topic, and that's a new feature of GoHighLevel. So right now you can create knowledge base externally and use it for your chatbot, use it for your voice agent, and you can build multiple knowledge base, and you can simply use it for your businesses and your all things. So let me dive in video and I will show you how you can create multiple knowledge base in a GoHighLevel, and you can utilize it for your voice agents, for your chatbot. It's super easy. So let me show you how we can create a knowledge base. That's my agency. I just simply go to login into my accounts. I'm going to use this one. So where you found this new feature, simply go to the setting, and in setting here you can see knowledge base. Simply click on it, and here you can see that's a existing knowledge base that they can use for your that's by default. So from here you can get idea how we can design. You can put your website. That's my own websites, and also there is a few questions that I have already put myself for my regarding my business. And yeah, that's the things where you can create the knowledge base. Right now we have one. I'm going to create another knowledge base, and we'll say test base. We can say that. Just continue, and we need to add description if you want to add here, and you can put your website, and here we have multiple options. You can extract all URL path, or you can use is just specific domain, your home page. But in my case I'm going to extract all one, so I just put my website link here, and it will extract all link. If you have any related questions, so we can use our related questions as well, and here we can upload files. That feature is coming soon, later on this week or this month, and in which way you can update photos, images, whatever you want to upload here, and it will be considered as a knowledge base. And in a second option we have website crawler, where you can create our website crawler, and after that we can add FAQs, and after that we can upload files. So once this database is created, so how we can use in our voice agents or any AI tool, I just go to here, and I just go to, for example, I will say I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one going to use this in this chatbot knowledge base. So it's a super easy. I just go here and board trainings, and here we have existing knowledge base. You can see we have two. That's one existing, that's the test bed that we have created right now, and we can create multiple knowledge base, and we can use multiple knowledge base in a same scenario, and we can train more powerful way of your voice agents, and in a more professional and more authentic way, and you can train and you can put whatever data you want. That's how you can train your voice bot and voice agent with lot of amazing features and lot of amazing reply and response. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call. I will guide you step by step, free of cost. And if you want any discussions, you can just let me know. Here we provide all services. There is some clients feedbacks as well, and yeah, if you have any question, just let me know. I will answer, and I will support you in any GoHighLevel task. Thank you so much for watching this.